Hello guys! I wish I'd known this bread recipe years ago. It takes 2 minutes to mix and it has only 2 ingredients, or 3 if you count salt. I'm gonna show you how to make the best Scandinavian bread to enjoy with your family every weekend. Add 4 cups of bread flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon instant yeast. Then gradually add 3 cups of water. Mix all ingredients until no dry flour remains. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. Then stretch and fold the dough. Then cover and refrigerate for overnight up to 48 hours. Release the dough and place it on floured surface. Cut into 8 pieces. And add seeds optionally. I add pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame and cumin seeds. Bake it in a preheated oven at 480 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe. I would appreciate that. It really helps the channel. And the bread is ready. And listen to this. It's amazing. I'm telling you, super easy, super good. Your family deserves such a bread. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next videos.